Alright, we're going to look at another type of transformation. This one is not a rigid transformation. Remember, rigid produce the same shape. So, we're introducing dilations. Dilations will take a center point or a point and will expand or contract depending upon the factor from one point to another. So we're going to look at example A. We have our original figure of P, which is 8 units from the point, and our dilated point P prime, which is 12 units from our point. So we're going to go 12 over 8 and reduce that to a fraction. We can take 4 out of both of those. So this was dilated at a 3 to 2 rate. Alright. So we're going to take our original point, this time P, we're going to make it smaller this time. Our P is 30, and our P prime is 18. Both of those can be divided by 6, and we are multiplying by 3/5 or 60%, I believe that is. So 60% smaller than the original. Alright, so here we're going to look at a coordinate rule for dilations. Whatever our factor is, we're just going to multiply the x and y value by that factor. So in this figure, we've got A has 2 and 1 as a point, B has 4 and 1, and C is 4 and negative 1. And we're going to dilate them, dilate with a factor of 2. So our A prime is going to be 4 and 2. Our B prime is going to be 8 and 2. And our C prime is going to be 8 and negative 1. I wished I would have changed my graph on this one because we're going to run out of room. I'm going to go to the edge of the graph. Alright, so first off, we're going to regraph in a different color our new coordinates. So we have 4 and 2, so we're going to go 4, 2, 2 right there, A prime. We're going to go 8 and 2, which is going to go out to here. That's going to be our B prime. And then we're going to go 8 and negative 2. That's going to go out to here. And that's going to be our C prime. And if we were to draw lines from our origin, we would see that the distance is 2 times as much going out. Alright, I don't know what's happened here. We'll get back up to a regular size. Here we have a quadrilateral who has the coordinates. Again, we're going to write those coordinates down. We have negative 3 and 6 for K. L 0, 6, M 3, 3, N negative 3, negative 3, and this time we're going to dilate with a factor of 1/3. So we're going to make this smaller, and it's going to be about the origin. 1/3 of negative 3 is negative 1, and 6 is 2. So our K prime is negative 1 and 2. Our L prime is going to be 0, 2. Our M prime is going to be 1 and 1. And our N prime is going to be negative 1, negative 1. So we're going to go ahead and plot those points. -1 and 2. Okay. 0, 2. L. L prime. K prime. M is going to be 1 and 1. M prime. N is going to be -1, -1. And that's going to be N prime. And our shape translated or dilated is going to look like that inside the original shape. Alright. Going on. Our factor is going to be negative on this one. So we have a triangle. F is -4, -2. G is -2, -4, +4. And H is -2, -2. We're going to be shrinking it because it's less than 1. And we're going to be moving it because of the negative. So -1/2 times -4. F prime is going to be 2 and 1. G prime is going to be 1 and -2. And H prime is going to be -1 and 1. Negative times negative is positive. So we're going to put those on the coordinate plane. 2 and 1. 1 and -2. And 1 and 1. So our new figure, little tiny, has the same proportions as our last, and we are good.